Hello there and welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from DesperateActor.com, and today we're going to be talking about practicing gratitude in your career. So you made it this far, whether you already have your career on the way or you're just getting started or you just have that idea and that fire desire inside of you of like, I'm gonna go do this. Just because you're already in that path, you should start practicing gratitude in your life. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities getting thrown in your face when you take on this path. And at the very beginning, it might seem that it's little, but the compound effect works in incredible ways. So the more you stick to the path, the better opportunities and the clearer your path is going to be. Believe me, by experience and from other friends as well, we've all gone through this. So the more you practice gratitude for what you have, the more you realize you already have more than enough to support your career, to support yourself. And even if you don't think you don't have enough, just think of so many other people that wish to be in the position that you are in today in order to even have a normal life. Unfortunately, in this world, in this moving, floating rock that we are all in on Earth, there's a lot of inequality still. There's a lot of people that don't have enough to eat. There's a lot of people that don't even have proper sanitary things in their homes. There's people that don't have internet or toilets in their house in different parts of the world. So just practice gratitude. Practice gratitude for everything that you have, for every opportunity that you get. Even if you really wanted this one audition that you put your heart and soul on and you didn't get it for whatever reason, it doesn't necessarily have to do with talent, like we talk on the Dezperate Actor program. Sometimes it could just be your look. They didn't want your specific look. You rocked it, you killed it, you did an amazing job. It has nothing to do with your talent or your training or your background or anything. So don't take it personal. It could literally be just they wanted a different look. They wanted someone with less hair or more hair, or a little chubbier or less chubbier, or you know, there's so many variables that are completely outside of your control that you have to really, really focus on just the opportunity that you get to act that day. Whether you got to act on set, or you got to act on an audition, or you got a callback, or you got to be on a veil, or you just got booked and now is your time to shine. Always, always, always practice gratitude in your life. Practice gratitude for just having a roof. Practice gratitude for having food to eat. Practice gratitude for having $1 in your pocket. Practice gratitude for just giving yourself time to even watch a video like this that not many people, take a few minutes of their day to actually watch content that's going to be really valuable to them. A lot of people are mindlessly scrolling through Instagram and other places looking for entertainment and ways to distract themselves. But the fact that you're here educating yourself and getting all the value you can to propel your career forward, I commend you and I applaud you, and you should be grateful for that. You should be super grateful, not just for the opportunity you're giving yourself here, but just the fact that you have dreams and a vision bigger than anybody else. Because believe me, there was a moment in my life, especially when I was starting my career, that I didn't have that many people believe in me. But the fact that I practiced gratitude, that I had a clear vision of what I wanted to achieve and accomplish, that the fact that I was betting on myself wholeheartedly with no plan B. I was just like, I'm going for this. and I made it happen. It took me a while, but I made it happen. And the only reason for it has to do tremendously with gratitude, because I knew that I was more fortunate than a lot of people in this world, and the fact that I had the opportunity, even me thinking that I was poor, but I was still living in the first world. There's a lot of people that live in much dire positions in their life that they don't get to dream this big because their circumstances overcome their dreams. And you have to be bigger than your circumstances. You have to be bigger that little voice chattering in the back of your brain telling you you can't do it. You have to be bigger and win that fight and be grateful for absolutely everything you have. And that's really how you win the battle. By practicing an attitude of gratitude, you'll be able to achieve so much in your career and in your life. So anyway, if you want more tools and more materials to continue your career forward, don't forget to subscribe here, because we're going to be releasing so many videos on a weekly basis for you. We have a podcast available for you completely for free. You can go check that out at dezperateactor.com. We have programs, we have coaching, we have so many resources there for you. So go ahead and give it a try and check it out. Don't forget to comment below. What are the things you're grateful for? I wish we can all comment here in this particular video just everything we're grateful for right now. If we can have a gratitude train of comments, that would be amazing for me. So go ahead and do your part and put it right there. Don't forget to like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, and that's pretty much it. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.